The US 10-year Treasury note has dug deeper, nearly to lows at 109.02 after giving up gains from the 110 handle. The KMI are flat, but we appear to be finding support at current levels. If we can pivot, 110.05 is the next target. If we fall, 108.13 is the target below. After falling to $2,603, gold seems to be equilibrating and establishing value, though we could be forming a bear flag pattern. If so, $2,580 and $2,567 are the next targets below. If we can pivot, we could make a run for $2,632 then $2,643. The KMI are bearish, so the risk is to the downside. The S&P 500 topped out at 6,033 where a red triangle on the KRI confirmed resistance. We then slowly eased to support at 5,970, and appear to be establishing value around current levels. We could be forming a dragon head pattern in expectation of another breakout. If so, we need to break 6,033 before establishing new all-time highs. Our next target above is 6,071. If we retrace further, expect support at 5,946. Watch for CPI today to potentially move the needle. Oil is maintaining a tight range between $67.91 and $68.96. The KMI are flat, and we don't expect any drastic moves unless CPI figures come out particularly crazy. The next targets above and below are $69.67 and $66.77, respectively. The DXY has topped out at 106.13, forming a double top confirmed by multiple red triangles on the KRI at this level. CPI today could definitely impact the value of the dollar. The next targets above and below, respectively, are 107.20 and 105.25. Bitcoin is forming a dragon head pattern after skyrocketing to all-time highs. We have peaked at our level at $89.6K, but are holding near this high. If we can break out again, $92.0K is the next target. If we retrace, watch the vacuum zone to $81.6K. Ethereum reached a high of $3,416, then retraced to $3,148. The KMI are still strong despite the sell-off. If we can pivot from support, we could make a run for $3,416 again. Watch the vacuum zone to $3,042. We expect the $3,000 handle to hold even if we sell off. Litecoin retraced drastically from $82 down to $71.60. Our last support level in the $70 is. If we can pivot, we may make an attempt to test $73.62 again, but watch the vacuum zone to $68.50.